Let's talk about Dennis. No relation to the Dennises that are already in here. Dennis weighs 191 pounds. His weight is 7 pounds less than 6 times his child's weight. I want to know, how much does his child weigh? So we're comparing the weight of an adult with the weight of his child. What is the thing that we don't know? What is the thing we're looking for? The weight of the child. So when we create our variable, we want to represent that. Now you could use x. You could always use x if you want to. But sometimes we change the letter so that when we see it, it helps us think about what it represents a little bit more clearly. So maybe we'll use what? We'll let W equal what? Weight of the child. Notice how Megan did not just say W was equal to the weight. It's equal to the weight of the child. Do y'all agree? All right. Now, when we're trying to write an equation, sometimes we will mix words and the algebra together to see how the setup looks. It says Dennis weighs 191 pounds, and then it goes on to say his weight. So the his weight is referring to what? It's Dennis's weight, right? So we can say this. Dennis's weight, his weight, is or equals, right? How do you write 7 pounds less than? See, you will run into an issue and you will fail if you say 7 minus. When we see the phrases more than and less than, that means you're doing that at the end of something. How do you write 7 pounds less than?
6x minus.
You take 7 away from something, right? We're taking away from what? 6 times his child's weight. So you're doing 6 times the child's weight. That's what you're doing. This is how we're taking the words, and now it's kind of like half math, half words. And then from here, this is like almost like a little template for us. We replace everything with the algebra. So how do we replace Dennis's weight? Dennis's weight is not x. What is Dennis's weight? It's 191. Equals 6. How are we representing the child's weight? With a variable w. So this is my equation. How do you solve this? You add 7 because this is the only variable term you have. Get the w by itself by moving everything else away from it, starting with the terms that are disconnected from it, like the 7. So 191 plus 7 is 198. How do I finish getting w by itself? Divide both sides by 6. So 198 divided by 6 is what? Is that a question or a statement?
Statement.
Then you say it as a statement. The answer is 33. I have w equals 33. But what was w representing for us?
The weight of the child.
The weight of the child. W was not representing the child. It was the weight of the child. So W is 33, which means the weight of the child is 33, right? Does that sound right? Is it possible for a kid to weigh 33 pounds?
Yes.
Yeah. Right. It's not going to be negative, is it? No. No. But he's a preemie. Preemies still have positive weight. So, yeah, this is an acceptable answer. And if you plug this back in up here, 6 times 33 minus 7, it's going to make sense with the word problem. So when I answer the question, how much does his child weigh, you could say what?
The child's weight is 33 pounds.
You can say the child weighs 33 pounds. You'll agree with that?